today's plan is to go to something, Caloocan or something like that. It's an area that's full of motorcycles, just tons of machine shops, dealerships, different things like that. So funny part is, Jinky's not going with me because she's afraid of the area. And my Filipino friend that's coming to get me is also worried. And my friends back in the States that are from the Philippines are worried about it. I mean, is it really that bad? I know it's kind of close to Tondo, but I've been there before. I didn't think it was that bad. They had me second guessing carrying this camera, so I'm going to film this first and leave this memory card at home in case we don't make it back with the camera. Here on this street, we're going to take a jeepney. Then we're going to hit this MRT, they call it, the train. And that should bring us pretty close to where we're going. So it's Caloocan. That's how you say it. And we're discussing right now about what to do if somebody tries to stab you or shoot you, or the ways that they do it. Because it's that bad, right? But Jinky's gonna come along now. She changed her mind. Okay, so we are here. And then we just take Annapolis straight to the train. Follow the train up. There's Trinoma. Train comes around. And here at this circle, it looks like the train comes down, and here's Caloocan City. So 10th Ave, this is our spot that we're trying to get to right here. Put this on satellite. So yeah, if we take the MRT, it looks like it follows down through here and turns right on the Rizal exit. That's where we're going. So yeah, let's just zoom in. This is where we're going. This don't look that bad. They even got an Innisol. I ate there yesterday. No. I typed in Google, is Caloocan safe? This is the first thing that pops up. Worries of being attacked, 83%. Worries of being mugged or robbed, 91.25%. Holy shit. Problems of corruption and bribery, 87%. Looking at these places, I don't think I've ever seen anywhere this high in crime. And let the adventure begin. Alright, let's hit a jeepney. Where do we find a jeepney? This way? Alright, there's the jeepney stop across the street. I guess we get on over there. We are off the Jeep already. We only went a few blocks. What was really the point in that? We could have walked that probably in the same amount of time. And now it's turning around. Woo, happy we don't have to deal with this traffic today. So, I don't know how to get there. I guess Jinky knows how to get to the MRT. What's it, that station up there? Oh, okay, we just gotta walk there. The stickers. Oh, wow. Sorry. What?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
What? Wow, what? You don't want to walk in front of me?
No, please.
Going up the stairs. I'm not. What? I'm filming going up the stairs. That's all. Jeez. Other side.
The other side too.
Oh, salamat. Can we jump across? I guess we can't make it. You see that? No filming. That means another place the shirt would have came in handy. We're gonna walk across this to get to the other side of the street. Sonoma and get a different ride. He said bus. So I think we decided that we'll take a cab instead. Then we can just get dropped off right in our location we're going for. I was right. I said a train goes over there. There's a train on the track right up there, going the same direction we're going. The Filipino Aussie doesn't want to take the train. Check this out. Overpass for EDSA. SM North EDSA. That's a big mall too. Alright, so this is underneath SM EDSA. The mall here. They have a lot of these little stands. Jinky searching for water. There's lemon juice. Okay. What are you getting? Oh, wow. Now I'm moving my stuff. The pockets that close. The next stop is where we've been talking about going. There's a food mart and there's a cotton candy store. And they make little animals. There's a pig. That's so cool. Stopping to get something to eat. That's it for me right there. There's my diet food. I don't know if that's considered diet, but there's no sugar in it, so that's a Coke Zero. I like that combination. That black with orange. It's pretty cool looking. Since, you know, today is about bikes and all, we just taking our time getting there. We are in the taxi lane. Salamat po. No, I got plenty of space. So, they said everything is in this area for all the shops, because I want to see the Chinese bikes. I'm really curious about what they're like in person. But cab driver knows exactly where it's at. He said everything's there, don't worry. So. Salamat po. Sorry. It's all good. We made it. We are here. Check this out. All bike shops. Where did you see Motor Star? These huge shops.
Oh wow.
What the heck's wrong with this thing? It keeps coming up with warnings. Stickers. Oh, dope. So you can get like different colored bolts and everything. Accessories. Nice. They're making pieces. Here we go. Is this Motor Star? Yeah, here we go. This is what I want to see. Check that out. That looks pretty dope.
Wow.
Yeah. I think it's like a CBR knockoff. That's pretty dope looking though. There's another one. Which one, babe? The orange? That thing's huge. Jinky likes this. That thing is massively big. but I'm more on this one. Magkano?
69,800.
69,000?
800. Yep.
Down payment 15,000. I'll take it today. $300 down. I want a used one. No.
Racing.
How many cc's is this? Yeah, this is nice. Does it look familiar? If that ain't a CBR, I don't know what is. All the shops around us. And this camera don't like the sunlight or something. Freaking dope. Where's the ninjas and stuff? The ninjas? Oh, right here. We crossed the street at the wrong time. Oh, this ain't it. That's pretty nice. I've been here. This isn't it. Garage shops everywhere. I don't know what you call them. Accessory shops. Kamauko, better than rest. All scooters? Yeah. Oh, right here, right here, right here. There we go. There's Kawasaki. That's what we're looking for. Hello. Dang, that thing's huge. That thing is huge. It don't look that big on camera, I bet, but next to me, this thing is super wide. Something with that. Shit. How much is that? Thank you for not sitting. Man, that bike is big. That's bigger than the bikes in America. That makes the bikes in America look small. Look at that exhaust, it's freaking massive. My hand to the exhaust. Show how big that pipe is. Yeah, what size is that? What size is that? How many cc? 250? Makano? 230? How much is 230? Oh, it's $5,000. Wow. For 250 cc's? It's nice, but I don't think I can do $5 grand for 250 cc's. What's that? Is that a Honda shop? No, we already seen Honda at the event. There's Kawasaki again. Oh shit, that's dope. What is that? Yeah, I gotta see that. What the hell is that? Oh my god, that's badass. We have to get inside. Or that one. That one's dope too. There's a Ninja. What is that? This has my attention. Oh, it's a Ninja. Ooh, that's freaking sweet. Bought this thing from across the street. Draws your attention. Yeah. Find out some pricing. Okay, so on this Ninja, he said $250,000, and it's a 2015. I think I'll find a brand new one for that much. So at least the 250 Kawasaki's are big. They don't feel like, they don't look like little bikes. a lot of the 150 cc's. They're almost about the size of a 600. We're gonna check more places. Hope to find some used ones. Shops are dope. But I think you need a bike first. There's the overpass. Look, the train's running. I told you the train worked. Ooh, big bikes in the windows. Choppers. Shit. Damn it.
What?
Stepped in gum. Hello. Scooter. Dino graphic shop. Yeah. I don't know, we might want to turn around. It doesn't seem like too much more this way. Just a little bit iffy going down the other way. Different wheels, rims, color styles. Nice shocks. Perfect place to customize. They're all ready to go. Getting nervous. People following around us. You picked out this one. I guess the ones outside belong to the guys that work here. That's a good sign, right? Digital display. This thing's like $1,200 or something.
Here's the price.
Yeah, 70,000. So it's what?
Less 2,000.
$1,200, less 2,000.
So 67,000.
Explore. It's a 200 cc. What is that? That is different. Oh, you got the little worker cart thing back there. Almost like a trike style. I think those are electric. Yeah, there's a big bike place right there. But we need to find somewhere to smoke. What do you think, babe? Not that bad.
Well, I like the white one.
I'm in Caloocan. It's not that bad here, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Better than you thought?
I thought you took it.
I guess where I'm a foreigner, I can't do the payments, down payment and payments and everything. I just have to buy straight cash. But, you know, around 60K, it's not that bad. Hopefully a Motorstar will last a little bit. I don't know. I wouldn't use it much, so. More bike shops. Maybe some used ones. What is that? There you go. That's what I'm talking about. CPI. I've seen that on the internet. Macano.
140, sir. 140?
How many cc's?
250 cc, sir.
That's dope looking. Oh, that's a Ninja. Ninja? Same? Chinese, right? Yes. CPI? Yeah. I like that. $150? 140. 140. What year is this? What year?
5 years, sir.
What year? Model?
2010, sir.
2010?
Yes.
150?
140, sir.
Or 140 for a 210?
Nice.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
It actually feels a lot better than that other one. 2017?
16 lang, sir.
16? So 49,000. How many cc's?
125, sir.
125? Not bad. It would work for getting around. Oh yeah, it says 125 right there.
Bye-bye.
It's for me, man.
Some bigger bikes. I think we're getting out of the populated area now. Oh yeah, there we go. CBR. Don't sit on the seat. See? I'm fluent. There's a gray one. No, it's not old. I don't know. 250. How many cc?
It's 150.
150? What color?
150.
And what year is it?
Come again?
The year model?
2012, 2011.
Daredevil. Guess that's it. I think we hit the most of the spots here. Checked it all out. I thought there were more last time I was here. The first time you see something, it's like overwhelming. And the second time you expect so much. At the end of this, but Suzuki Motor Trade. Let's check this place out. Maybe got some nice used ones. GSX 150, 9,000. That one's not bad at all for 70K. Seems a lot harder to get home than it was to get here. But we're looking for a different MRT. Adventure. Rod Mall. Busy. Still got some cleanup to do. Much better than it used to be. Seems MRT is too confusing, so we're gonna walk and find a cab. Just take it straight home. This is neat. I have never walked in an area like this. Not quite. Little stores. Oh. I bet this is the place to go shopping and get some deals. Nothing like drawing attention to yourself. Dang, across the street's the same. Busy as hell. Let's go. So now we have walked all the way to this monument so far. I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, he's not waiting for us. He's way up there. He's not waiting. There's a better view of it. This guy here is calling us a taxi. Just walk down the street and I'll be like, taxi boss? Yes. Yes, taxi.
Okay.
There we go. Got us a taxi. Maybe not. Ano da? Oh, much better than walking. Oh, walking wasn't that bad, was it?
She's mad again.
Oh, she's mad again. Look, no fat left. It's almost gone. This diet, oh my gosh, this diet. It started off easy, but can't find anything to eat or drink. My mouth is so dry. What am I supposed to drink? Water? I think I will die from carbon monoxide poisoning in this cab. So strong. Alright, our cab is done. Wow. Thought I was gonna die in that cab. I'm getting a headache and dizzy and all you smell is gas. I rolled the window down some, but whew. Better to just walk in this traffic. You buy that and eat it. I want you to buy it and eat it. You go. No? Okay. Looks good. I'm sure that's against my diet though. I just found a store close to the condo that has SpaghettiOs and ravioli and a bunch of other American stuff too. And the price isn't bad. 110 pesos. Not bad at all. Is that macaroni and cheese? I think that's macaroni and cheese. Looks like. Yeah, different
100.
brand. Okay, I got one of these ice things. I haven't had these in forever. It's 0 sugar, so that should work out well. I wish they had the blue ones, but even in America, it's hard to find the blue ones sometimes. We're not in Caloocan anymore, but had to stop for this one. Yamaha R3 is dope.